Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. This video is about dominance property in game theory. The first step, we have to check whether saddle point exists or not. If saddle point does not exist means we have to go with the mixed strategy to find the optimum strategies for the players and the value of the game. This is possible only for 2x2 game. If it is not a 2x2 game, then it can be reduced using dominance property and then solve the problem in the usual manner. The rule 1 is player A has to choose a row which gives the maximum payoff. If the payoff of the ith row less than or equal to kth row, then ith row is dominated by the kth row. In this case, player A prefer kth row. So, if ith row less than or equal to kth row means we have to omit ith row. Rule 2, player B has to choose a column which can reduce his loss. If the payoff of the ith column greater than or equal to kth column means player B prefer kth column. So, we have to omit ith column. After reducing the given matrix, we have to go with a pure strategy or a mixed strategy to find the value of the game. In this case, always omit lesser row, greater column. I am going to explain dominance property with simple problem. Here we are discussing with pure strategy problem. The question is, solve the following game using dominance property. Remember that while applying dominance property, you have to omit lesser row, greater column. In the given problem, player A has 4 strategies and player B has 5 strategies. We have to reduce the problem using dominance property. So first you have to check it with the row. You check the first row with the other rows. Now I compare first row with the second row. Here the element is 2, here the 5, and here element is 4, here 6, here 3, equal is also allowed, here 8, here 7, so no dominance. Now check it with the next row, here 2 and this is 6, here 4, this is 7, here 3, this is 9, here both are equal, here 4, here 7. So first row is less than third row. First row is dominated by the third row. So we have to delete first row. Here first row less than or equal to third row. First row dominated by third row. So we have to omit first row. This is the reduced matrix. You can perform either row reduction or column reduction. Now I compare third row with the first row. 4 is less than 5, 2 is less than 6, 8 is greater than 3. So no dominance. Now I check the third row with the second row. 4 is less than 6, 2 is less than 7, 8 is less than 9, 4 is less than 8 and 2 is less than 7. So third row less than second row. Third row less than second row. So third row dominated by second row. So omit third row. So you have to omit third row. This is the reduced matrix. Here we have 2 rows. Now we can compare with the column. Row means you have to delete the lesser one. Column means you have to delete the greater one. I compare first column with the second column. 6 is greater than 5 and 7 is greater than 6. So second column is greater than first column. This implies that second column is dominated by first column. So you have to delete second column. Now in the reduced matrix, again I go for column reduction. Compare the first column with the second column. 5 is greater than 3, 6 is less than 9, so no dominance. I go with the next column. 7 is greater than 5 and 8 is greater than 6, so dominance is there. So third column is dominated by first column, so we delete third column. Third column greater than first column, so we delete third column. This is the reduced matrix. This is the reduced matrix. Now again we go for a column reduction. 5 is greater than 3 and 6 is less than 9, so no dominance. Now we compare the first with the third column. 5 is less than 8 and 6 is less than 7. So third column is greater than first column. Third column greater than first column, so we delete third column. This is the reduced matrix. Column reduction is not possible because 5 is greater than 3 and 6 is less than 9, so no dominance. So we can go for row reduction. Compare first row with the second row. 5 is less than 6 and 3 is less than 9. First row less than second row. So first row is dominated by second row. So we delete first row. This is the reduced matrix. In this case we have two columns. Now first column is less than second column. So second column is dominated by first column. So we have to delete second column. Second column greater than first column. So second column is dominated by first column. So we delete second column. Now the reduced one is 6. The saddle point is A3, B1. Value of the game is 6. This is the simple method in dominance property. Let me repeat the steps. First you take the given game. You have to check for a row or column. If row means you have to delete the lesser one. If column means you have to delete the greater one. Continue the procedure till you get the optimum strategies and value of the game. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.